What's up, everyone? How's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. So in this video, we're just going to go over everything HBAR. We're going to talk about how we feel about HBAR, how things are looking for the ecosystem, and what we could possibly expect in the future. So let's jump into it in this video. We have a lot to cover. I'm going to do this fairly quickly, though. However, so this article did spark some interest in basically some value I'm going to bring to you guys because it talked a lot about, what HBAR is doing overall, not just one specific thing. I bring you guys, news about partnerships and such every day, but this gives us a bit of an overall consensus on how HBAR is doing. There has been a spike in new account creation, and the overall market recovery has lifted HBAR, but the asset also reflects the organic growth of the Hedera project. The network is growing in transaction count and active addresses, and the growth is long term and mostly driven by DeFi. However, in the short term, Hedera users also note a sudden spike in new address generation. Active wallets on the Hedera network did grow mainly because of DeFi projects, and there was also some growth from NFT owners in the past 2 quarters as well. And Hedera is expanding with DeFi additions, and they host several decentralized markets and lending protocols, including those that are expanded to multiple different chains. Hedera still has limited value locked to DeFi, but growth is happening just about 6 months ago. Decentralized trading and liquidity mining are among the factors that are putting the project in the spotlight. Unlike its long term goals and ambitions for global influence in payment systems and finance, that might take a little while for it to basically prosper and to show value because, these partnerships are long term aspirations that they have. And, they might not affect, I talk about that all the time, they might not affect the price right away, but it's something that's going to provide a long term value in the future. Hedera has also announced a partnership with like-minded projects in the crypto space. Sorry about that, guys. I put new batteries in my mouse and now it's working like it should be. So uh, so it's kind of over scrolling here. Hedera announced partnerships with like-minded projects in crypto that plan to disrupt finance. They're going to be working with Algorand, Ripple, XRPL Labs, Constellation, and Casper to create decentralized recovery alliance called DREC. So that is something they're working on as well. They have their hand in a lot of different things. They're also in the Internet of Things. We can see there, um, in the crypto space, they are, they're just working on so many different things, and they're working with government as well. They're working with agencies to basically foster innovation with crypto, and they're looking to, um, have some regulations in crypto, but are that are pro crypto and that help out the space rather than restrict it, and like we were seeing in some other places, USA. But anyways, Canada as well. I can't say anything there, but things are yeah. Anyway, that's another video. But HBAR has been trading at about 11 cents lately and bouncing from lows of 9 cents, but still far from the monthly peak of 17 cents. But we know what happened with that peak, right? That was the BlackRock news that people took incorrectly. They thought HBAR was partnering with, or Hedera was partnering with BlackRock, but really it was a third party. We saw that, massive spike on the chart and hit 17 cents, but it retraced back after everybody kind of figured out what was going on. Somebody just took the news the wrong way, right? You got to really watch how you word things and also how you read things, right? So HBAR is relatively volatile, may touch the lower monthly range again, but traders are expecting the next breakout. I am as well. And HBAR is still under its 200-day moving average, but traders are suggesting the token may have reached its low point in the short term. Low volumes of just under 100 million per day, but activity has expanded to 3.5 billion during active trading. The expectations are that Hedera will line up among blue chip projects during this market cycle. HBAR is already more visible in the top 30 coins and tokens and may break out higher up the charts. HBAR's also showed signs of accumulation in the past weeks as well and is considered a token with significant upside, potentially achieve 10x growth in the event of a new altcoin bull rally. Now, obviously, none of this is financial advice. We can't guarantee that it's going to 10x, but HBAR is, it is a top project. It is now a blue chip and it is up there. And, I'm expecting it to have some fantastic growth here in the next bull market. So we can check here. I've been looking at some of these ads here. I've been checking the chart to see what is going on and see if we're getting any signals here. And we are getting momentum up signals. We are still in a momentum up from that large spike that happened back in April. I believe, yeah, it was April 23rd. So we're kind of consolidating a little bit here from there, but we are still in a momentum up. And when we go to check the 4 hour and the 2 hour, And the 1 hour, basically, everything is also in a momentum up as well. So, we might see a little bit of more consolidation before we see things move. However, Hedera is HBAR is something that can be rather explosive, and it can be rather it's a bit of a sleeper in my opinion. We'll just see it trend sideways for a little bit, and then all of a sudden, boom, we'll see a spike. So that's what I'm waiting for. I have loaded up. I've actually added to my position in HBAR because I feel like things are getting to that point where we could see a movement, and I'm waiting and I'm ready. And hopefully you guys are too. Even if you're invested in HBAR or not, you're watching this video, so you're interested. So, check them out if you feel like it. And hopefully you guys will have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.